Good afternoon. It's funny, even weird to say it, because it's actually the first time on YouTube that I'm saying, I think, good afternoon. So today, the day is a bit weary, kind of overcast. Just finished raining earlier this morning. So I was like, what am I gonna do today? And it's pretty windy. So I called a friend of mine, asked him if he can lend me his inside motion rollers, which are freaking incredible, because he has a Wahoo and he agreed to lend it to me for a month. So he stopped by. I got on for like a half hour watching, let me run here before I get hit. Watching some beautiful cycling YouTube channel that I subscribe to and like, because it's funny, I watch all the other channels and I hear them always saying, oh, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, or like, subscribe, comment, whatever. But I realize that the advertisers, I believe, like engagement from the subscribers, and therefore, I don't know, it moves forward. I'm trying to do my best to bring you all along in my journeys, and hopefully if you do enjoy it, you like and you hit the button. If you don't, then you just don't, because I, like you, am also a subscriber of different channels, and I decide like or dislike, or to be honest, I mean, I hit the play button, I hit like, and then I continue viewing the channel or viewing that specific video, because it does me zero harm. It benefits the person who has been doing all the work to do the video, so it costs me nothing, and I'm showing appreciation. That's just me. I'm not saying that you all need to do the same. I'm just giving you my opinion as to what I do, and we'll see what happens. So getting back on topic, I watch this channel, so I get on for a half hour, because it's quite tough at the beginning when you start doing indoor training on the bike to stay regimented. Mind you, you all may not know, but I happen to be a cycling coach, which is one of the things I do, but I rather be outside. It's just, I'm that kind of human being. I'm not well into the sitting there and just riding indoors. It's not for me. It's an option to have in bad weather, situations like today, but it's just not for me. So I do my half hour, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna go for a nice hike. I'll do little jogs here and there just to spice it up and keep the rhythm going. Throw on some headphones, listen to some music, and enjoy myself. So therefore, I was thinking today of doing, I don't know, 6 miles. I don't know why that number came up. So I'm assuming maybe 2 hours or 2+. I don't know yet. I'm recording it on Strava on my phone in my back pocket. So we'll see how long it takes. I'm not looking to break any records. I'm just looking to, one, expend some calories, because, oh boy, yesterday was Thanksgiving and I was invited to a friend's house and the eating was out of control. But we had a great time, which is number one. So let's see how this goes. I'm using also a new, I don't know what they call, GoPro 2 two-way, I think it's called, this handle thing that you cannot see but I'm holding on to. Let's go this way. Which seems pretty nice, and hopefully I can take some good videos for you guys and create some entertainment, which is really what this is all about. I enjoy watching it myself on YouTube, so from those that I enjoy, I try to learn and create entertaining segments and videos for you all. And I'd like to thank you all who have subscribed. Thank you all who have hit the like button. And I still thank you all who have not hit the like button and have enjoyed yourself. Because I'm still going to continue doing what I love to do. Alrighty. That was a lot of talking. I'll give you a little view. I came from up there. I'm heading that way. Roam around a bit. Hopefully have some fun. Decided that one song I will do a light jog, the next song I will walk, the next song jog, the next song walk, and so on. Keep it a little entertaining. just reached the 2-mile marker. And as I mentioned before, I'm doing light jog every other song. So I'm listening to music. Not too loud because I like to hear when vehicles are coming. But it's amazing when we're not adapted to doing something different, because my primary thing is cycling. It's incredible. The body is like, wants to kind of fight it, and then comes the beauty of the mind, is where you really find out kind of what's inside there. Any little demons that always say, oh, this bothers me. Oh, your feet hurt. Oh, wrong sneakers. Wrong this. Wrong top. Wrong hat. Wrong gloves. Let me tell you the beauty of the energy that we carry is amazing. But anyways, here I am enjoying this beautiful, it's a nice lake there. I hope that this stays a little steady, because what I have filming is GoPro Hero 8. I do not own the 9 or the 10. Maybe someday I can afford to get one, and I will do so. So the horizon leveling and all this beautiful stuff that those two offer. Let me tell you, my last intervals of like the little light jogs I was doing, I had to stop because my hip flexors are really like, hello. So I hiked the rest, but I put in 5.8 miles, so almost to 6. Really enjoyed myself and realized that I have to do this more often. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with today's outcome, and hopefully we used up a couple of calories for the old beautiful gut. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.